Let's talk about the number one wealth killer in the world. Not debt, not taxes, not the economy. Fear. Fear is the silent dream assassin. It keeps people stuck, broke, overthinking, and underliving. Here's the truth. Wealthy people fear too. They just move anyway. What happens when you remove fear or you act anyway? That turns into courage. It's just two opposites of the same thing. When you take action despite of your fear, you're now courageous. You can do it. Wealth file number 16. Rich people act in spite of fear. Poor people let fear stop them. Fear is not a sign, it's a spotlight. It points directly to the area where your next level is hiding. Poor thinkers say, what if I fail? Rich thinkers say, what if this changes everything for me? Poor thinkers look at the fear and see danger. Rich thinkers look at the fear and see direction. The difference is not courage. The difference is decision. Making the decision becomes courage. Think of fear like the gym. The weights don't get lighter, you get stronger. If you avoid the weights, you stay weak. But when you push against resistance, your capacity expands. Fear works the same way, guys. It's resistance designed to build your wealth muscle. You have to practice, you have to take action, and you got to get those reps in. I was terrified before doing my first creative finance deal. My mind was racing. What if it doesn't cash flow? What if I mess up? What if people think I don't know what I'm doing? But I pushed through the fear and did the deal. And it became one of the best investments I've ever made. Now, it was challenging because it wasn't perfect. But because I acted, the deal taught me more about wealth than any book ever could. And it showed me something I'll never forget. When you walk through fear, you walk into freedom. Wealth builders, this week, here's your fear to action challenge. Write down one thing you've been avoiding because you're scared. Set a timer for 30 minutes and journal. What is fear trying to protect me from? And what is it keeping me from becoming? Take one small step toward that thing today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because action dissolves fear and movement creates mastery. If this message spoke to you in any way, drop "fear won't stop me" in the comments. Share this with someone who's been overthinking for way too long. And if you're ready to take bold action in your money and in your mindset, download your free tax shield formula and start moving toward financial freedom right now. Welcome to Wealth Builders, where fear doesn't lead, you do.